Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day in Vietnam. I'm lying, it's not the morning, it's the afternoon. We're in a place called Mui Ne. You guys saw yesterday we came here on the bike. It was a little bit of a strenuous adventure. My legs ache like crazy this morning, so I spent most of it in the pool reading the book that I'm currently reading, which is called Mastery. A lot of you asked me that on Instagram to say, like, tell us the name of the book. Here you go, if you're watching my vlog, you know the name of the book. We are now going to go in a 4x4 with Lawrence and the girls. They're walking ahead of me. Lawrence and I are a little bit late because obviously we're always trying to figure out camera equipment and all that nonsense. So we're going to go in a 4x4 to the sand dunes, which is like a desert area here in Vietnam. It's going to be awesome. I've heard a lot of good things about it. And we're going to head there right about now. Oh, we're being told to run. We're running!
Sorry we're late, ladies.
Like always.
No, you can, bro. Like always? Excuse me.
Always,
That's not true.
Always.
Hi, mate. You alright? What's your name?
One.
Bro, I'm gonna sit in the back of the cart, bro. Do you reckon we should get one of these? What do you guys think? Imagine just driving around Europe in one of these all summer. So I don't know if this stream is like clean water or what it is. It feels warm though, I'll tell you that. This is so nice, what a gorgeous day. Just a couple of little clouds up there. It is just beautiful here, absolutely beautiful.
Hi, buds! Ow! It burns!
Cheers, bro. Pretty good value. Can you go fast, please? Fast? Yeah, fast. Ridiculous, I did not see that big little dipper coming, you know? He was a big boy.
That's insane.
I'm running.
That was sick.
And now I stay in hostels, I should probably think about saving money. This is so steep. Kind of given up.
That was insane.
I'm so glad we did it.
That was probably one of the most enjoyable things I've done in a long, long time. And the best thing about it is I've done stuff like quad biking and Jeep sand duning before, and that was maybe 20 times cheaper than anywhere else in the world I've ever done it.
I'm trying to split the bill for. I ain't even gassing, they should have you up on billboards. That's real talk. We can go to work, let you pick up the slack. Let me finish what you're doing, then we kicking it back. You can listen to my tunes until you're sick of my raps. I got money in the bank, but not a figure like that. Got me looking at the shape, man, I'm already one. Trying to come and kill the game like my brother Teddy done. I ain't even trying to play it cool, cause this is bigger than my pride. Let me multiply your love and then I hit you with the vibe. Hey, check it.
Right, we've come to the orange sand part now of the Mui Ne desert. We've got the perfect day to be here as well, because when the sun sets here, this sand is going to be so bloody orange, Tangerine's going to go out of business. That's how orange it's going to be. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It's probably been one of my favourite days in a long time. It's pretty crazy stuff. The people that I love. It is the best way to live your life, I promise.